Hi there, I'm Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking for new beach towels or bath towels, I have to show you EPHESUS Beach Towels. These are Turkish towels. They are so finely woven. They come in beautiful colors. They're large bath sheets and they're perfect for your getaway vacation or by the pool this summer.
EPHESUS Turkish Beach Towels are made so well and with a high quality cotton. The weave and craftsmanship put into each towel is remarkable. This is the anthracite color. It's a very rich, deep gray. The design and tassels are a unique feature. I love the stripes. The fine weave makes them dry very quickly, especially when they're hung up. And it's a large towel that can be used as a blanket to lay on or you can wrap up with. They're so finely woven that they can easily be rolled up and packed away for your trips or stored away in your linen closet.
EPHESUS Towels has the little bit of luxury that you need for this summer season, and that is my point of view.